Ladies and gentlemen, we now turn to the next stage in the journey of these investments, the laying of foundation stones for upcoming projects across Tamil Nadu that mark the transition from vision to execution. May we now humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to lead us into this important phase by laying the foundation stones for these projects. We begin by welcoming the team from L&T Electronics Products and Systems, celebrating their brand new facility in Tamil Nadu with a foundation stone laying, manufacturing of electronic components, embarking on the industrial journey. If we may humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to formally lay the foundation stone. This is also the very first MOU that was signed, ladies and gentlemen, requesting the Honorable Chief Minister to formally lay the foundation stone. Investment of 2,500 crores, creating 2,000 jobs. In the Coimbatore district, this is L&T Electronics Products and Systems. May we welcome the team from Shree Cements to join us up next as the Honorable Chief Minister lays the foundation stone for their facility in Tiruvallur. Their investment will be 838 crores, creating 400 jobs, manufacturing of cement products. May we kindly request the Honorable Chief Minister to formally lay the foundation stone. Next on stage is the team from TABP Snacks. Their facility will be set up in Trichy, investing 220 crores, creating 450 jobs with the manufacturing of snacks. TABP Snacks, ladies and gentlemen, on stage as they celebrate their new facility in Trichy, requesting the Honorable Chief Minister to formally lay the foundation stone. A loud round of applause as we extend our congratulations to the team. If we may kindly welcome the next team to join us up front. Team NDR Infrastructure with their facility in Ranipet, they'll be investing 200 crores, creating 500 jobs. As they develop industrial parks, ladies and gentlemen, with the very first step, the foundation stone, may we kindly request the Honorable Chief Minister to lay the foundation stone. Joining us next on stage is Hynix's Semiconductor Wire Solutions India Private Limited. Their facility will be in Chengalpet. They're globally headquartered in Malaysia and they'll be investing 193 crores, creating 214 jobs. May we kindly request the Honorable Chief Minister to formally lay the foundation stone. This is a manufacturing facility for semiconductor wire bonding materials. Next on stage, Podaran Foods, ladies and gentlemen, setting up a facility in Trichy, investing 185 crores, creating 1,075 jobs with the manufacture of snacks and beverages. We humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to do the honors. Horst Engineering Private Limited will be setting up a facility in Krishnagiri with an investment of 100 crores, creating 210 jobs. Manufacturing of precision engineering components will be their focus with this facility. May I kindly request the Honorable Chief Minister. Requesting INSEE Controls team to join us on stage. Their facility in Tiruvallur will be investing 240 crores, generating employment opportunities for 225 members. We thank the Honorable Chief Minister for formally laying the foundation stone for this facility, which will focus on the manufacturing of EV and automotive components. We now move to the inauguration of projects. May we humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to formally inaugurate the project, starting with Vikram Solar Limited. Their facility will be in Tirunelveli with an investment of 1,300 crores. They'll be generating 800 jobs. Manufacturing of solar PV modules will be their focus. May we humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the project. Joining us next on stage is the team from Michelin as they set up a facility in Tiruvallur, globally headquartered in France. They'll be investing 686 crores, creating 200 jobs with the manufacturing of tires. May we humbly request the Honorable Chief Minister to do the honours. Next on stage is the team from Rockwool. Ladies and gentlemen, they are globally headquartered in Denmark. Their facility in Tamil Nadu will be set up in Thiruvannamalai as they invest 510 crores, creating 200 jobs, focusing on the manufacturing of stone wool-based insulation products. We're witnessing the inauguration of projects here at the Vetri Tamil Nadu Investment Conclave, humbly requesting the Honorable Chief Minister to do the honours. We welcome the team from Chennai SSSS Equipment Private Limited to join us as they inaugurate their new facility in Dindivanam. 130 crores being invested, 150 jobs being created with the manufacturing of construction equipment.